In this video, I will show you how you can fix if your AirPods or your AirPods Pro's case is not charging. Now to fix this issue, first of all, just check the charging cable of your AirPods and check if they're damaged or not. Preferably just use Apple's original charging cable to charge your AirPods, or you can use any other charging cable which is supported by Apple. Now if the issue is not with your charging cable, then just check the charging port of your AirPods and check if there is any dust or debris stuck in your AirPods charging port. Now if there isn't anything stuck in the charging port, just clean it using a soft brush. Now after that, just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just follow the next method. For that, just make sure that both of your AirPods must be in your AirPods case, then close the lid. Now just wait for a couple of seconds, and after a couple of seconds, then just open the lid of your AirPods. Now just double tap 3 times on the LED on your AirPods case. As you can see, this is the first time, the second time, and the third time. After the third double tap, you will see this orange LED start blinking on your AirPods case, which indicates that you have done a factory reset of your AirPods. Now if you're using an AirPods Pro or any other AirPods which have a button at the back, now to factory reset that type of AirPods, just open the lid of the AirPods, then press and hold on the button at the back. Now just do that until this LED turns into orange, then from orange to white. And after you do that, you will complete the factory reset process on that type of AirPods. Now after you complete the factory reset process, now just close the lid. And from here, just plug in your AirPods into charge and check if your issue is fixed or not. Now if your issue is still not fixed, then just check if your AirPods supports wireless charging or MagSafe wireless charging. Then just charge your AirPods using a MagSafe charger or a wireless charger. But if you have done all that and if your issue is still not fixed, then you might have a hardware problem with the case of your AirPods. Just take your AirPods to any service center and they will fix your issue. Or you can buy a replacement AirPods case online. And this is how you can fix if your AirPods or your AirPods Pro's case is not charging. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.